everybody, Carolyn Caldwell here from Caldwell Evolution with day 14 of How to Get Stuff Done, 30 Tips in 30 Days. Well, for the next little while, I'd like to focus on doing some myth busting around productivity. In my experience and in the education, reading, and learning that I have done around productivity, it's been very clear to me that there's a significant difference between people who get stuff done and people who don't. The people who don't get stuff done have a belief, some of them, that the people that do get stuff done have a magic formula or a magic potion in order to get that stuff done. So let's do a little bit of myth busting here. The myth bust is that there is no magic associated with productivity. There's no magic associated with getting things done. The difference between people who can get things done and the people who can't or struggle to get things done or who struggle with procrastination is, number one, the people who get things done have absolute clarity about what they want to do. They know exactly what they want and they know what the outcome is. Number one, they have clarity. Number two, they take action. And number three, they stick with it until it's finished. So it's not a magic formula. It's very simple. Get clarity, take action, and stick with it until it's finished. So by clarity, you can explain exactly what to yourself, exactly what it is that you're trying to get done. You know what the steps are, and you know what the outcome is. When you take action, you literally just take the first step, the second step, the third step, the fourth step, and just keep going until third is that you actually stay with it until the thing that you're trying to get done is actually finished. People who struggle to get things done frequently don't have clarity. They're a little bit hazy about what it is. They perhaps don't know what the steps are, and they don't know how to deconstruct a task or a project into the various steps so that they can actually take action and get started. So frequently the procrastination is around not taking any action. And then if you don't take any action, sticking to it until it's done just isn't an option for you. But even for people who do start to get their projects done, frequently don't stick through until the end and see it right through to completion. All right, so that's our myth busting for today. I'm sorry, folks, there's no magic portion. There's just clarity, action, and sticking with it until it's done. I hope that's helpful, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Take care, everybody. Bye now.